In this video, I'll show you how to share a Google Sheet over to WhatsApp. So I'll be demonstrating this on a computer, but if you are on a mobile phone, then you can still follow along as the steps will be exactly the same. So let's get into it. And the first thing you need to do is head over to an internet browser, head over to these square dots in the top right hand side and come down to Google Drive. Once you're inside of your Google Drive, just go ahead and select the sheet that you want to send over to WhatsApp. Once you're inside of your Google Sheet, you need to head over to the share button in the top right hand side. So the first thing you need to do is come down to general access and we need to select restricted at the bottom. Change this to anyone with the link, and next to viewer, change this to editor. Now from here, you can either add people just by typing in their email address and that's going to automatically invite them over to the sheet. Alternatively, we can press the copy link button at the bottom and then press done. And now all you need to do is launch up the WhatsApp application on your desktop or phone. And then from here, we can just click on the person that we want to send this sheet to and go ahead and paste the link inside of here and press enter. And it's as simple as that, guys. That's how you share a Google Sheet over to WhatsApp. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing.